So that topic for today is what causes clouds and precipitation. That is the title. Copy this in your notebook.
I finished.
Finish the copy?
Yeah.
Okay, Lucia. Hermes, you finished? Yes. Who knows how are the clouds formed? Who knows how they are formed, the clouds?
By the precipitation.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Or what they are made of? They are made of air, water, or what?
Made of water.
Water.
Water, you think that they are made of water? So that's why then it's raining, because they are having precipitation?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Who likes to be seeing the clouds, to see in the sky?
Me.
Yeah, you like to be, some people like to enjoy to be seeing the sky and the clouds. Why you see the sky and the clouds, Lucia? Why?
Why I form in the clouds and
So because you like to be seeing the clouds to form some shapes. Sometimes you can see a dog. You create dogs or different things, animals at the face of a people.
Please, we have to copy that topic.
Yes, that is the topic. 10 seconds. I'm waiting for you to copy this, class.
We are finished.
Finished? Okay. Now, yeah, sometimes you can see the clouds and you can see like they have a shape of different objects of different people. Yes. But do you think that when you see the sky, you can have an idea how it can be the weather?
Yes.
Yes, the clouds is gray. Is some rain, but the clouds are no have clouds. Is a or the clouds are normal. Is sunny day. I think.
Yes, that's right. Excellent, Lucia. By seeing the sky, you can have an idea how can be the weather. If you see a lot of clouds, you can see, and if they look gray, you might think that maybe it's going to rain that day. It's going to be a rainy day. But what happens, as Lucia says, if you don't see clouds in the sky, sometimes you can look at it and you see that there are no clouds, maybe one cloud there. How's going to be the weather if you don't see clouds in the sky? Hot, sunny day. Yes, it can be a sunny day. That they can be sunny because you see the sky. You don't see too much clouds. You just see the sun. So it can be a sunny day. Excellent. Perfect. Yes. Now let's go to the next slide. Here I have some pictures. If you see on the sky and you see in the sky, you see this picture, these clouds looking in this way, what do you think is gonna happen?
It's a rainy
rain. Gonna be a rainy day.
Here in this other picture,
sunny day.
It's sunny day. Now, do you see the difference of clouds that we have? Look at this cloud. Look at the other one.
It's a gray.
The color.
Sunny day is white and blue.
The color, that's right, the shape also. Look at they are crowded together, and they look like they are kind of separated. Look at the other cloud here. Have you ever seen before this cloud?
Yes,
Yes.
color below the sky and the clouds are
Look at the other one. You see, they are different.
Is it raining and not raining?
Like you and me.
They are different, class. Excellent. They look different. The color of the sky, the color of the clouds, and also you can see the way that they are like grouped together, or they can be separated. In this case, you see, oh, just this one. So they have we have different types of clouds, and they have names. We have a name for each of these types of clouds that today we're going to learn about it. But before talking about that, let's read this page 17. If you have your book, you can help me to read what causes clouds and precipitation. So if you lie on your back looking up at the blue sky like Lucia, tiny wispy clouds drift along, fluffy white clouds pile up and move quickly across the sky. Have you seen that they are moving? Sometimes you're seeing the sky, and then after some minutes you continue seeing, and you see that it's not in the same position because they are moving. They have a path. They continue. Yes. So that it's amazing. Their changing shapes seems to form pictures, and Lucia says that she'll enjoy to be seeing, like this girl that might be Lucia, seeing the sky, seeing how they are moving and the shapes that they have. Now, Lucia, help me to read this page, please. Clouds.
Clouds. Energy from the sun is needed for clouds to form. The sun's energy causes water in ocean, lakes, rivers, and could blast so evaporate or change from a liquid to a gas. As you're learning, warm air rises from the surface on the earth. As warm air rises, it carries the water vapor. The warm air cools ice rise. Ice cools water vapor in the air begins to condense as tiny drops of a liquid water. The tiny water drops are so small that they stay in the air. These tiny water drops from clouds, like the ones in the picture, since water vapor is needed to form a cloud. You will see many clouds in places where the air is very moist. In places where the air is dry, you will see fewer clouds. For example, you will not see many clouds over a desert.
Excellent. So you see here, the clouds, they need the energy from the sun, class. So you were saying a correct answer when I asked you, what do you think they are made of, the clouds? You say they might be made of water. Yes. You see here, it mentioned they need the sun's energy because it causes the water in the oceans, the water in the lakes and the rivers and puddles to evaporate. Once they evaporate or change from a liquid to a gas, then we can see the formation of the clouds. Obviously, they have a process, and they need to raise in the air from the surface of the earth as the water rises, and it carries the water vapor, and then it starts forming the clouds in different shapes and different size there. Okay, here you see it's describing how it's these clouds they were formed. Yes. Now, these clouds are usually seen on a bright sunny day. It's here, yes, you mentioned that they were seen. Now, let's talk about the types of clouds. Look at here, we have the names of them. So, next page, let's see a boy, voluntary, boy that helps me to read. Khaled, okay, Khaled, help me to read this, please.
Types of clouds. If you walk
a lake. On a cold morning, you might walk to a cloud. This kind of cloud is fog. Fog is a cloud that forms close to grow. It may soar in a hillside. High parts of a breaking height
Bridge.
in the picture, or a blanket that ground. Frogs also hope as a much smoother is a possible with raining and something raindrops will fall from fog. Dry fog is very difficult to see. Then clouds form in many shapes inside. Some clouds are tall and puffy, while others are long and thin. Some clouds are white, while others are dark. Now, cloud shapes can hit a cloud about what kind of weather to expect. The clouds shown on the next page are the three basic types of clouds. Stratus clouds are low clouds that form flat white layers, something they cover a whole sky. I like a blanket and blockade sunlight. Some days are a double gray. Rain or snow may fall some from these clouds.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Khalid. Just
Where-
here.
No, I mean
Oh, here.
where the rest of the brine is covered by the desert fox.
Thank you. So you see, yes, the question, where is the rest of the bridge? You see, here is the bridge, but you don't see everything because it's covered by the dense fog. It says that the fog, it's sometimes when you see there, you can predict how it's gonna be the weather also. Perfect. Okay, here we have in this picture, you have the three types of clouds that we're going to talk about. There exists more than this, but in this book, in the book that you have, you just have these three, I think, but we have more types of clouds. Number one, it says the stratus clouds. You see, how does it look, the stratus clouds? It looks gray.
Looks the rain.
Cumulus clouds. Look at this. This is the second one, the cumulus clouds. How did they look, the cumulus?
Sun and
Yes, it can be kind of sunny. And here it says that if you want to go in a picnic, if you want to go to the Picacho or another place to have a wonderful time, if you see the sky like the cumulus clouds, you can go because it's not going to be raining. You are not going to be running because it's raining or using an umbrella. And what about the cirrus clouds? How does it look, the cirrus clouds?
sunny.
Yeah, sunny, but you see the clouds, they are not like cumulus, they are different. So this it means that the warm air is on that way. So it means that can be warm the day, yes, but not like the cumulus. You are not going to be having too much clouds the days. They are going to be like far away, kind of separated, not like the cumulus clouds. Yes. Now, in your notebook, we're going to copy something, but let's watch this. Let's watch this video before. Let me display the video, share the sound. Okay, here it is.
Who said that? It was me.
Okay, you see class, the different types of clouds, and the video were included more than the ones that you have in your book. I'm going to share this video. It's so nice, this video, so you can rewatch one more time. Now, in your notebook, you're going to copy the information and also the types of clouds, and also you can draw, class. You can draw. That's why I was asking you to have markers or colors with you, so you can decorate it according to the different kinds or types of clouds. So number one, we have the cumulus. How is the cumulus? It says the cumulus clouds are low-level clouds with flat bases. So you can try to draw. If cumulus clouds are white, so it's a good word. Gray, it looks like it's gonna be raining, as you mentioned, the color.
We have
Yes.
to draw the 3 and copy the letters, or we just have to draw 3.
You draw the 3. For example, number one, you copy the information, you make the drawing, and you copy cumulus. Number 2, cirrus, you copy the cirrus, you copy the information, you make the drawing. Yes, you can try. Look like thin, wave speed streams, and are found every high in the air and the large.
The cumulus, I don't know.
Cumulus, mhm.
Yes, and the part of down of cumulus, we have to copy that information.
Yes, you need to copy that information. That information also you need to copy the information that you have for each of them.
We draw and we copy of the cumulus the information on the 2 informations.
Yes, copy the informations. Copy the information that you see here, that it's included, and write the different types of clouds. You can draw, make a drawing like this. Stratus, like they are very loud, they are puffy, gray, and cover most of the sky. So you copy Gabriela, number 1, for example. You copy this information, you write number 1 is cumulus. You copy the information, you copy this other information, and you make the drawing for it. Number 2, cirrus. So you copy the information and you make the drawing. Number 3, so you copy the information and you make the drawing.
We have to draw only 3, no the others.
No, just 3. You see, this is the same. It's the same. This one is the same that is down. Just one example for cumulus, just draw one.
Solo elegimos una de cada.
Yes, it's the
One
same. You
form.
look, it's the same. Just the different here is that you see that here it's like a smiling and here it's greening. But it's the same cloud. Just make one cloud for cumulus, one cloud for cirrus.
Put the color gray in the cumulus, right?
Yes, with the color.
My first cloud parece un alien.
Nice, Lucia. Yes.
Parece un alien.
Okay, this is the only thing that we're going to copy today. So once you finish, you just show me your notebook. And then we remember that this week we don't have homework in language and science or science class. We don't have homework. I'm going to take the attendance. So while you are writing this information in your notebook and drawing. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
Present.
Ana Flores. Gabriela, Isabela, and Kiara.
Present.
Present.
Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present.
Rosa, Valerie, and Sian.
Present.
Alberto, Dani, and Fernando.
Present.
Present.
Hermes, Joshua, and Caleb.
Present. Present.
Marcelo, Santiago Hernández, and Santiago Chávez.
Present. Present.
Thank you. Mia Valentina, did you finish, Mia? Danny, you finished? Okay,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
job. Good job. Andrea, you finished the copy? Yes? Okay, good job. Once you finish, show me your notebooks, please, and then you can disconnect. You are free once you finish.
Bye, Miss.
Bye,
Ah,
Danny.
bueno, bye.
We have to upload it to Schoology.
If you show me your notebook here, not. If you don't show me your notebook, yes. Rosa, you finished. Good job. Bye-bye.
I finished.
Excellent, Lucia. So nice. I like your drawings. Good job.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Lucia.
I finished, Miss. Bye.
Bye-bye, Isabella.
I'm finished.
Okay, good job, Joshua. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Hermes. Excellent.
Bye.
Nice.
So if we show the notebook, we don't have to copy.
You copy. You already copy. You don't have
Oh,
to.
yeah, I don't upload it. Sorry.
No, you don't have to upload it, Joshua. It's okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Two minutes to finish.